Okay, let's jump into it. As someone with quite a bit of titles, nutritionist, CPT, yoga instructor, as well as just health advocate overall, the biggest thing that I just love doing, and I do this on a day-to-day basis, is coaching. Now, we're trying something fun and new here at Self-Care with Millie. We're going to be doing something that we're going to be referring to as Millie's Minute. And this is going to allow me to give you 60 seconds of coaching on one topic. This is the first time that we're doing it. It's the first time that I'm actually filming myself doing this. So the goal is to give you some practical tips of something that either I experienced with my client, something that I experienced within myself, or just something that I have kind of like here in this wealth of knowledge when it comes to wellness, health, fitness, that you can make some better decisions with just prioritizing your self-care. So today's topic is literally following directions. Okay, like that's the thing, like that's the coaching topic for the day, is just following directions. So I'm going to set my timer to 60 seconds and I am just going to go for it. All right, here we go. Time is on. Quick backstory. Now, I do waffles for my family every single Sunday. We love doing brunch, so we do like pancakes or waffles on Sundays. Now, my waffles throughout the last few weeks, they weren't like doing it. And I like doing my own thing. I like changing up recipes. I like switching things up. But I started switching up things so much that I changed up the consistency of the batter. So the point here to you is that something for you at some point in your wellness journey, your self-care journey, your health journey, your weight loss journey was working. And then you got comfortable. You started being lax. You started changing things up. How can you go back to the things that you know that worked well for you? Comment down below and let's talk about it. I got 0 seconds. That's it. Comment down below.